back again at the Anaheim Marriott. So this room looks very similar to the other room. So we have the closet on the left-hand side here. This is where you can find the ironing board, and also some drawers.
Future Jimmy here. I forgot to mention that there is a safe above the drawers here in the closet.
Ropes and some bedding, it looks like, up here. Pretty cool. And then on the right-hand side, we have this little area. On the bottom, we have the ice bucket and some glasses. On the top is where the waters will be. I put them in the fridge, and also the coffee maker. Then 180-degree turn, we have the bathroom on the other side. Sorry, that was loud. And from left to right, we have the sink.
If you're looking for more towels and the hairdryer, it's underneath the sink right here.
Toilet, shower. The amenities for the shower are bolted to the wall. Can't wait to try the shower out again. Last time it was really comfortable. Hopefully this time it is as well.
And yes, the shower was nice.
Then let's move on forward. The AC just turned off. You kind of heard that at the beginning, but it's an in-wall AC. It's pretty quiet. We have an ottoman area here where all my luggage is right now. On the bottom, we have these drawers. This is where you can find the Bible and the Book of Mormon. Smells pretty good. All right, moving forward, we have this desk area with a TV. And then to the right of the desk area, we have the fridge in this little cabinet. Nice. All right. We have a mirror over here, so if you want to check yourself out before you go out to the Disneys, you can. It's pretty cool. And then all of it on this side, we have a door if you book the adjoining room. Or you can tell your best friend to stay on this side, so if there's any yelling in that room, they can hear it. But anyhow, 2 double beds with nightstand right in the middle. That's where the outlets are on the nightstand, so maybe bring a power strip so you have more outlets. And then last but not least, like the other room, we have a balcony. But on this one, there's a little thing right here that you pull to open the door. Oh, and I locked it. Or, and I break the door. And here is the balcony. The view is okay, I guess.
And here is the view at night. Pretty cool. Pretty loud out here because everybody's running their ACs right now.
Pretty nice to show out here. So, that's the room. What do you think? Would you ever stay here? Comment letting me know.